Hello. For those of you who don't already know me, my name is Rebecca Letterman, and I am honored to be your professor this semester for this course. I really look forward to getting to know you, which I'll do, of course, through forums and various assignments and just our interactions together. And I'm really looking forward to that and learning along with you this semester. I'm sure we'll learn a lot together as we explore the various topics and themes of this class. I want you to know that I want to be available to you, and of course, anytime you want to make an appointment with me, I'm in my office in 409 Roberts Hall at our Rochester campus. But since this is an online course, I realize for many people that's not very realistic. So we can, set up Skype meetings or telephone calls, whatever is the best way for us to interact if you need that. My preferred, at least first way to interact usually though is email, and you've got my email information on the course website and in your syllabus. And you can expect me to get back to you usually within just a couple hours. That's typical, with the one exception that I am somebody who practices Sabbath, and so Saturday afternoons through Sunday evenings, usually I'm not checking email very much. If you really have to get a hold of me during that time, you should probably call me at my cell number, my personal home cell number, which is also listed for you in the syllabus and on the course website. But usually email should be fine. I find I'm not that vital to your functioning. I try to have lots of information available to you ahead of time, so that isn't very often that needs to happen. But if you do need to call me during Sabbath, that's fine, because I won't be checking email then. In terms of course review, my reviewing your assignments, you can expect me to get assignments reviewed and graded definitely within a week. Unless if I'm sick or some reason I can't, I'll let you know via email. But usually it's actually within a couple days. And so your assignments are due, as you know, Wednesday 11:55 p.m., Saturday 11:55 p.m., unless otherwise posted. And so typically I'll review Wednesday assignments by Thursday, sometimes Friday, but a day or two. And I'll send an email out whenever I finish a set of class assignments. I'll send an email out to the class, so you don't have to keep checking and looking for my review and comments, but that way you'll know when to go take a look. And I do ask you that you should, when I do review and give you comments, that it's good to take a look at that, because often that can help you with future assignments. And for your Saturday night assignments, the ones that are due Saturday night, because I have Sabbath off, again, usually Monday, Tuesday is when I'm normally reviewing those. I really look forward, as I said, to getting to know you later this semester, and I am praying and hoping that it's a great semester for you.